Alright, so if you have two of these Ninebots set by Segway go-karts, I'm going to show you how to put it in your car by yourself. If you don't have anybody to help you carry it, you're going to have to do it by yourself. Alright, so you got to take the go-kart, put a little rack on this end. Lift it up with the two wheels on the back. So now you gotta lift it from the front. Back it up. Here you should be able to put it inside the car. Just like that. And then now, go ahead and pause it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now you gotta loosen up these set screws. Once you loosen up the set screws, now we need to take off that speaker that's here, take it off, and then turn this around so that this can compress. We're gonna compress this as small as we can so it'll fit inside the back of the your SUV. All right. So now you just take this. You got me? Now you can lift it and bring it inside. Come closer. Oh, picture this over here. So now it's still sticking out, but if I can push this, I can compress it. Are you looking at this right here?
Yeah.
It will compress further down. So now it's nice and small. And then I can now I should be able to shut the trunk, and I should have enough room. But I gotta take off the spoiler because it'll crash into my window, my rear window. So now we gotta take these screws off. Just like that. Are you looking at the screws?
Yes.
These screws right here?
Yes.
You see it?
Yes.
Alright. Take these screws out. Take off the spoiler. Put that on the side. And then you can put these screws back on so you don't lose them. Just like that. Alright. Put this back, tool. Just like that. And then we should. Alright, once you got it inside, now what we're gonna do is shut the trunk. It should fit now. It does, no problem. Now you got your second go-kart. What you're gonna do is lift it from the back. Put it on your cargo carrier. Just like that. And then we're gonna back it up. You're good. So now you take some ratchet straps. Strap it to your cargo carrier. So hook this side into your hole here. Have this go across. And you double wrap it. Just like that. Then you take this one and you hook this one in. Just like that. And then what you do is you feed this into your ratchet strap. Just like that. You should feed it in your ratchet strap. And now you start tightening it down. Alright. Once it's tight enough, and you know it's not going anywhere, then you're good. Then you take this extra slack, tie it around your just like that. So now, all you gotta do is make a knot on this one. Now you know it's not gonna go anywhere. That's it. You're done.